Alright guys, welcome to another one. And this time I received the JB4, so I'm gonna be installing it. I'm gonna be showing you how to put it back together, and I'm gonna be removing the fuel pressure regulator, whatever thing, because it broke on the track and it was spraying gas everywhere, and that for me I don't like it no more, because it's fuel, and right there is the header, and thank God that it didn't catch on fire. So I'm gonna be removing that, and then I'm gonna be showing you the JB4 how to install it back. Look how I end up. So trash. Alright guys, so this one is the old one. When you guys do order a new one, don't throw away the old one, because you need to remove this chip that goes over here. Another thing, I think I had the old style or something that got upgraded or something like that, because look at the difference. Hopefully this is the right one. We will see. So you're gonna get a flathead, you're gonna get it over here, try it out. Same thing in this side. Try not to break it. I don't know which way it goes, so I'm gonna try it like this. This is a new cable. Old cable got damaged. So go like this, and then the big wire goes over here. So for now, I'm not gonna put it back in. I'm just gonna try to see if it does work. So I'm gonna be moving the cell phone down that way, and I'm gonna continue with the video. All right, we're here. All right, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna be putting the car on ACC to see if it reads. All right guys, so I plug it into the OBD2, and then I'm using the same wires and everything. I will be showing the screenshots because the JB4 app is running in this cell phone. That's where I'm recording from, but it is already connected. It's connected to here with the Bluetooth, and this one doesn't have a light. On the system it says that it does, but it doesn't. Another thing which I didn't know, somebody had to help me with this. I was trying to get it connected without connecting all the cables on it. So if you guys doing this, remember to connect this, because if not, it's not gonna be talking with the JB4 Bluetooth, and that's why I was having issues, thinking that it was damaged or that it was bad or something like that. But no, the cables, they have to be connected so I can connect to the Bluetooth. So I'm gonna be bringing the metal plate so I can cover it, but this time I don't want it to get damaged again, so I'm gonna be putting silicone around it, so it doesn't get water on it. It goes with the little cable over here and the big hole over here, like this. I'm gonna be using the black silicone on it. is the spot that I gets the most water. That's it, guys. Hopefully you guys learn how to do your own JB4 to replace it. Yes, it's not gonna look nice, but I don't care about looking nice. I care about efficiency. All right, guys. Right now, I'm working on the car because after the track day, I got a little bit, salty. So since I got the JB4 now, I'm gonna be working with my friend over here, Joel, 8-Speed Joel. You can find him like that on Instagram. He's gonna be working on the JB4s. He knows how to work on them. If you guys do wanna have any type of tunes with the JB4s, he's the right person to go with. By the way, that's the Elantra N that was killing almost everyone in the track. So right now, he's right now installing the cables. He's gonna be telling you a little bit about these cables.
So this is a JB4 fuel wire. Really important if you have a JB4, especially if you have a 1.6 or 2.5 smart stream. This definitely helps out with fueling, AFR. So definitely recommend this from JB4. So if you got a chance to get one, make sure you do. It's not that hard to install, really straightforward. And this literally take you about no more than 10-15 minutes. As long as you read the instructions, you're good to go.
All right, so this is gonna be going connected to the O2 sensor. It doesn't go connected somewhere else. It's only on the O2 sensors. On this car, my O2 sensors, they were removed, so it's gonna be differently, but the O2 sensors go behind the turbo, and we're gonna be installing this, and we're gonna be showing you how the car will be running. All right, guys, so we already installed it, and now that cable, it reads the AFR. Before that cable, this gauge, it was going all the way up and down like all crazy. So that's what that wire does, the AFR. What the AFR does?
So AFR is a mix of fuel ratio, a lot of sorts of stuff with liquids, and gases. So with that cable, JB4 actually adjusts it, and you can also go to map 6 and do your own adjustments. So that's a huge help with the fuel cable. Very important to have if you are on a JB4. All right, guys, HB Joe talking. So we did some small revisions, and yes, much better. I'm pretty sure the video will do justice when Angel sends it. Shit. Damn.
Hey guys, as you guys see in the last video, I was cooking way too much. The pipe broke. This is the dump valve for the wastegate. It goes right there. So it has to be welded, and then we're gonna be continuing with the revisions. But right now it's way better, but we still have more to go. All right, the pipe is already fixed.